Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Remington Personal Grooming Kit. It has different attachments and it's pretty easy and portable to use. So I'm just gonna open this up. A little sticker here. Okay, might need to get a scissor and just cut it open. Okay. Seems a bit trickier. Let me just speed this up. Okay, I finally got it. Okay, let's open this up. So just need to pull this open. It's got a little groove here. Okay, it looks like it's nicely packaged. A bit complicated on how to open this. It's got all these little tabs. Okay, so this is the charger, a pinhole one. Would have been good if it had a USB-C port. Would have been so much easier when you're traveling, so you don't have to carry the charger. So then let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, so these are the different attachments, different lengths. Really want to get into the actual grooming device, the clipper. I can see it right there. Okay, so not as easy as I thought just unboxing this, but we'll get there. Okay, here we go. Okay, managed to grab the corner here. Okay, so now here's the clipper. Nice and small, it's portable. Here we go. Oh, there we go. You can hear it working away. Just got the on and off switch and the attachments at the top there. This is the manual. Guess might be a good time to read the manual if you haven't used one of these before. Got all these different little attachments. So let's see how to change the attachments. Is it a push one? Nope, it's not. You don't push. Okay, might have to read the manual to see how to remove the top one. You don't want to just get into it and break it. Okay, so these are all the different attachments. Okay, so it looks like you might have to just twist it. Hasn't got real diagrams or anything to show you how to remove it. So those different trimmers. Okay, so these are the different trimmers. Okay, so that's a little small shaver. Just looking at this, looks like you need to maybe pull. No, okay, maybe turn. Okay, you got to get a bit of force. Turn it anti-clockwise, I think. So I might just try that. So just gotta turn it anti-clockwise. There we go. And then to lock it in, do it clockwise. There we go. Oh, there you go. So this is the shaving head. Little extra comb head. A little comb compartment. Okay, so it looks like that's a body comb trimmer. That head. There's the shaver. And then the other one's a bead trimmer. And a bead comb. So this is a nose and ear trimmer. And there's just another adjustable bead comb. You can just replace that. So you just touch the normal steel blade and then attach the different bead trimmer combs. And then there's one that is also adjustable. So it's just got to clip this one in. Just got to push it a little bit. There we go. As you can see, the head's pretty small. Got a little different lengths. Just clip it in. You can see. Just need to make sure it just clips right at the end. And this is the adjustable bead comb. So just push it all the way in, and you can see at the bottom here, you can push it to different lengths. So on the side, you'll see the numbers, and that's the length right there. So pretty much, yeah, that's all the different pieces. And there's also the stand. And this is a lithium powered. So it's recommended that it will last quite a while. The stand, just can connect it all. Just need to have the space for this, it looks like. It does take up quite a bit of room. It would have been just better if you just had the option to have a little small stand with just the trimmer, and then you just put the stand and then just get the ones that you need. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna try it, see how it goes, and I'll give an update.
Generate by AI.